Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a headlight bulb in a Mitsubishi Outlander. Before starting, always ensure your vehicle is off and cool to the touch for safety. You will need a few basic tools, including a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and your new headlight bulb. Having the correct bulb type, like an H11 or H9, is crucial for a successful replacement. Let's get started with the first step. Now let's access the bulb. First, open your vehicle's hood and locate the rear of the headlight assembly. You will see an electrical connector attached to the bulb. Carefully disconnect this by pressing the small tab and gently pulling it straight off. Next, you might need to remove a rubber dust cover or a metal retaining clip that holds the bulb in its housing. Take your time with these steps. With the old bulb exposed, it's time for removal. Gently twist or unclip the old bulb from its socket and pull it straight out. Remember, avoid touching the glass of your new bulb with your bare hands, as oils can significantly reduce its lifespan. Carefully insert the new bulb into the housing, aligning any tabs or grooves, and then secure it with the retaining clip or by twisting it into place. Almost done. Now, reconnect the electrical connector to your newly installed headlight bulb, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. Before fully reassembling, turn on your vehicle's headlights to confirm the new bulb illuminates correctly. Once confirmed, reinstall any dust covers, clips, or other components you removed earlier. Double-check that everything is secure and properly aligned for optimal performance and safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.